So we're back at it. We're a new week here, and we are continuing on with work on the fireplace. It's our next project here. We're expecting today for delivery of the stone that'll go down here for the base mantle that the fireplace will sit on. I need that in place in order to continue the work. I'm going to have the fireplace company is going to do the install for the stovepipe. I felt more secure in having professionals do that, who do that all the time, rather than myself. When it comes to the firebox and the ventilation for that, I would rather be safe than sorry and have professionals do that. So we're going to get the hearth laid down first, and then tomorrow or the day after, we'll start working on just the vent pipe. Once that vent pipe is in and secured, and we have all of that set up, then we will start putting on the skin of this thing and move on to getting that completed. So we're just waiting on the marble guys stone guys to come in with the piece that we ordered and get that into place. is it's only going to be, you know, a couple hundred pounds versus if I did regular rock, you're looking at, you know, 2,000 pounds of rock and stone. I'm like, you know, that's a hefty beast to try and, you know, amazing this whole thing is. Yeah. What's that? Is that pretty costly? No, it's actually not bad. The estimate calculated out to do all this is about $2,800.
Oh, okay.
So it's pretty cost effective when you look at it, when you think about what it would cost for stone and,
Yeah.
you know.
It's pretty wide area.
Yeah.
It's a nice size.
So the fireplace base is now installed. It's pretty nice to have the two guys to move that thing because it is a very heavy piece of material. But got that in place now, and then we'll get on the next step, which will be putting in all the vent pipe for the stove. The reason I needed this here is because the guys need to know exactly what the depth is from the back of the fireplace, and then the stovepipe will run all the way up and then out of the roof. But having this here in place already gives the installers for the vent pipe and for the stove exactly what they need to know as far as level of the floor and what their heights are. So we will pick this back up with install of the venting. Well, now that we've got the base in for the fireplace, today we're going to be having the crews put in the smokestack or the vent pipe for the stove. That's being done by Grizzly Stove out of Missoula. Again, it's something because it's fire related. I'd rather have professionals do it than try and chance it and have leaks, because like I said, that pipe will be enclosed. All this whole area here will be enclosed. So it's better to have it done by people who know what they're doing, and I can make sure that it's done correctly and get that. So we'll get that started and see if we can move one step closer to finishing this fireplace.
Said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you, only God knew about. those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you, only got you about all those little moments. All those little moments.
Yeah.
Up there on the bay there, Melita Island, Dream Island, and all that. So we're on the mainland. That's the one that's taken. Any bears yet?
Haven't seen them yet. Hey, I'm sure they're out. You know. Well, that one's a lot nicer than the picture. Yeah. Yeah.
So I can move that around a little bit on that end. I think it'll be alright. So then from now, so if you look in through that side door, it's pretty being closed. Just a box.
So getting the stove in today was the last bit for our phase 2 of our fireplace build. I'm pretty excited about that. It's a really nice stove. It's a lot nice. I mean, I knew it was nice when we saw it in the showroom, but seeing it in place here, it's pretty cool to have that done. They finished off the roof penetration today, which was a little nerve-wracking. I'm not keen on when we have to penetrate the roof, but got that done. It's sealed up pretty nicely and raring to go there. and we now have a chimney on the house, which is pretty cool to be able to see driving up. But the next phase of this is I'm going to put some hardy board down on this lower section here. That way it works as a heat shield, and then I'm going to skin out the rest of this thing with half-inch OSB, and then we'll add the evolved stone. That's our next phase of the fireplace build. To that. But anyway, we got this part done. We've got all the piping in, we got the base mantle in, got the fireplace in, and we are good to go with this part of the project. Anyway, if you like this type of thing, please remember to like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel quite a bit. And make sure to leave some comments down below. I'd love getting them from you. Anyway, thanks for watching.